almost set myself on fire.
I don't want to rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, the visa. I'm out like the one you call the macho, the head honcho, swiftness like macho. I got so much now.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't really wear foundation, so this is pretty much a no foundation makeup look, as you've seen in the title. I really like this look. I'm going out with my sisters and my cousins to the mall, so that's why I'm pretty much getting ready. But yeah, let's just get right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I already have my eyebrows on, so I'm going to start off with moisturizing and priming. I'm going in with this cerave moisturizer, and then a few drops of the de-bronzing anti-pollution from Drunk Elephant. I got this a long time ago, but what this does, it adds a little bit of color, especially if you are a little bit pale. So yeah, just add that together, and then I normally use this just when I need some color, especially if I'm showing a lot of skin. Neck area, and usually that is what I will wear because it doesn't give any coverage. It just gives like a little bit of tint to it. Yeah, it just gives like a little bit of a tan. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer, and I've tried this already. I got a huge NYX package in the mail of all their new products. I think the only thing that I didn't get was the primer, their other primer. But this smells like marshmallows, and I really like it. It says it's a 10-in-1 primer. I don't really know the claims, but I just like it because it does smell good, and that's kind of why I've been using it. It smells amazing, and I'm not sure if it like lasts long on my skin or anything. I haven't tested it that long to give you like a full review on it, but so far I've been really liking it. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. Like the title of the video, I'm skipping foundation because that's what I've been doing lately. If you can see up close, I have a few blemish scars on my forehead. I do have darker under eyes, so that's pretty much my main focus. This is the Uoma Beauty Stable Concealer in the shade Honey Honey, and this is like the perfect color for me right now. And so what I do is I go in to the places that I need coverage. For me, it's like around here. Right here. I think I'm running out. And under the eye. Probably the center of the nose. But those are the only places that I really need coverage. I don't really need coverage around my cheeks or anything. But yeah, but I would just put concealer where you need it. I'm like really insecure like around the mouth area because it's a lot darker. This is the NYX, I don't know if you guys can see, this is the NYX, the Marshmallow Blender. I haven't used this yet, but does it smell like marshmallow? No. I'm curious how this is gonna work. I've never used this before. Actually, I'm recording. Honestly, this is not too bad. I kind of like it. I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna go in with concealer, a lighter concealer, just to brighten under the eye. think I'm gonna mix two. I'm gonna mix the Juvia's Place and the Beauty Blender concealer. I like the Juvia's Place because it's super thin and hydrating, and then the Beauty Blender has like super thick coverage. I like the applicator, so I'm gonna mix the two. Plus I feel like this would be my perfect shade right now. This is just giving brightness. I'm just putting it right under the eye. Yeah, I haven't really been to the mall in a minute. I know the girls have been wanting to go. Oh, what's new with me? I feel like this semester so far, like if you're still in school, this semester is like, it was going fine for me. And then it just got very stressful out of nowhere. Like, how are you gonna do 22 labs in, like, all do in one day? Like, what? That doesn't make any sense to me. I have been journaling a lot, and I feel like that has helped so much with my anxiety. I went to Marshall's, and they have like these self-care, like affirmation manifest type of books for like less than $10. I found one for my sister, and then I got one for me, and then I got my sister a planner for like school and stuff. But it asks like questions like how are you feeling today, what are you grateful for, and I feel like it just focuses more on the positivity and not really like all the bad that happened throughout the day, and just like, even if it's like the littlest things, it makes you like reflect on all the good that happened that day. Okay, so the audio cut off, but pretty much what I'm doing is I'm blending out that concealer with a brush instead of a sponge, because I feel like you get the most coverage with just a patting motion. I left more concealer on just to get the max amount of coverage to cover those blemishes up, and that's pretty much what I'm doing here. So skip the foundation, conceal where you need it to with the concealer that matches your skin tone as close as possible, and then go in with like the brightening concealer to brighten up like under the eyes or where you have like any darkness. Let's go in with contour. We'll go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, I think this is Beautiful Bronze, I think. Do you guys like my background? I think she looks super cute. I was going to buy like decor for my background because I was so tired of like the makeup. It's very not cute. And I found some stuff like around the garage, around the house, and then I just spray painted it. And shout out to Auntie Charlene for the idea. Like, I don't really know how to decorate and stuff. I just know colors and aesthetic. Just contouring here. You don't have to contour, honestly. This is just personal preference. You could have just left it like that, but I like adding like a little bit of color because I don't want to look flat. This is the Nazanin brush from her collection, number 3 brush. I love this brush for cream contour. So I'm going in with all the creams, and then I'm gonna go in with powder at the very end, and I feel like that's the most natural way to do this type of look, because I feel like if you do powder, it'll work, but it just won't look as natural, and it won't blend as well. You know what, I'm gonna use this blush. This is the NYX Shine Loud liquid lipstick in the shade Cash Flow, I think that's what it's called. But it's like the liquid lipstick and then the clear gloss. That's what I had on my lips earlier, is just the clear gloss, but I'm gonna use this as a blush because why not? Because I don't have any cream blushes on me. I'm hoping this doesn't dry. You guys can use blush, you can use lipstick as blush. That's totally fine. Especially if you want to try out cream blush but you're kind of like too afraid to, just like grab a lipstick that you have that's like kind of a blushy color and then go in. But add like little by little because that looks, oh, she looks very, very blushy. I like it, not bad. Okay, let's go in with powder. I'm gonna go in with the One Size Beauty translucent powder. This powder has been growing on me. I really like it. Just setting everywhere. I feel like this blush isn't going nowhere because like this whole jar back here, why am I pointing as well? This whole, oh my god, I almost, dude, I fucking forgot I had a, okay, I have a candle burning, but I have like a whole jar of like the whole collection of the liquid lipsticks. I love them, I really do. I think they last so long, especially underneath what am I saying, underneath your mask. But I feel like my lips are so freaking dry, and the way it wears, like throughout the day, it'll start to like crumble if you start wiping it off or anything, and it's just like not cute. Like it doesn't wear off nicely, in my opinion. You can totally skip this step. You could just like set the face and then be done. I'm just brightening a little bit more. Yeah, just brightening a little bit more. I'm gonna go throw a little bit of color onto my lids. Oh my god, I for real like almost caught myself on fire. Like I forgot there was a candle. Bad idea, bad idea. Cute for this type, but bad idea. I'm just gonna go in with my Essence bronzer, and you guys know I love this. I haven't been really buying any new makeup as of late. Did I buy any? No, I haven't bought any new makeup. Besides the NYX package that I got. I just think it's so crazy. Like I'm very grateful that I still get PR from them. I did this chick on one of my pictures, I think. One of my posts on Instagram. And my sister was like, oh my gosh, your nose contour looks so good. So I've been doing it ever since. So I just go in with bronzer and go right over it. Yeah. I just go right on top of it and then go in with the blush and go right on top of it. Kind of looks like if you had like the sniffles or if you got sick. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Oh, you know what I was gonna talk about? I don't have any candles back here, but I have these little hearts. Are they cute? These are the KKW fragrances. But I got this one's for Valentine's. This one is a just cause I wanted it. This one smells so good. This is my perfume. Like this is me in a bottle. It smells amazing. I like this one too, the gold one. But I feel like I'm gonna love this in the summer because it smells similar to the body. I think this is 2. And this one smells like coconut. I just mix the 2 because this one smells really good too. NYX matte setting spray. I got mascara like all over my lids, but that's okay. I'll brush them off later. I want to show you guys my go-to lip combo as of lately. Literally kiss proof, smudge proof, everything, eat proof. Oh, my favorites are these 3 colors. This is, what is the color? Global Citizen, Boundary Pusher, and Matchmaker. So I'm probably just gonna go with these 2. I wore this one because it was like more of a pinky look for Valentine's Day, but this is what I do. So I'm gonna go in with the darker color. This is the Boundary Pusher, And I use this as a lip liner. I don't know why I'm talking about Danish. You can just put the gloss and like be done. I like it like that way. I like it like that. I like that way. When I just want like a very 90s lip liner gloss type of look. Or you can go in with this. This is the more nude color in Global Citizen. And go in it right all. Alright. And that feels pretty dry already. It dries pretty fast. So then you go in with the gloss. So this is pretty much the lip color I've been like obsessed with. But for this look today, I want to try something different. So I'm gonna remove it all. So I'm just gonna go in with lip liner. I'm gonna mix like I don't really want anything in the center. Yeah, I don't think I want anything in the center. I'm gonna mix this lip color from Jen. I'll link the color down below and where you guys can get it. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Let me put a little bit more. Like right in the center. And then blend a little bit with the gloss. I just want a sheer color. Yeah, that's exactly what I was going for. Because with Jen's lip color, oh my gosh, let me show you guys real quick. That's one swipe. It's crazy. So I just put a little bit of color, just like in the center, and then like gloss, clear gloss on top. Okay, so this is gonna come off like right when I put my mask on, but whatever. I'll reapply. And I'll keep these two in my purse. But that's pretty much it, guys. So that's pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys like it. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it. I will try to make more videos. It's just hard with like school and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.